If subscribers made people successful, everyone with 1K subs would be famous and rich by now. Alright, let's be real for a second. A lot of new creators think that the only way to grow on YouTube is by getting more subscribers. But here's the truth. Subscribers don't grow channels, watch time does. Today, I'm going to explain why YouTube cares more about watch time other than our subscriber count, why retention beats clicks, and I'll give you a simple example of how a small channel can outperform a big one just by keeping people watching. YouTube algorithm isn't pushing channels, it's pushing videos. That means it really doesn't matter if you have 10 subscribers or 10 million subscribers. What matters is how much time people spend watching your content. If people click on your video but leave after 10 seconds, YouTube notices that video won't get promoted no matter how many subscribers you have. But if viewers watch most of your video, YouTube will show it to more people even outside your subscriber base. Subscribers are nice, but they are not what makes YouTube recommend your videos. Watch time is the real currency here. The more people watch, the more YouTube trusts your content and more it pushes it to new viewers. A video that keeps 50 people watching for 5 minutes each is more valuable than a video that gets 500 clicks but everyone leaves after 10 seconds. Watch time beats click every single time. Here's a simple example. Imagine a big channel with 1 million subscribers uploads a video but most viewers leave halfway through. That video might barely get promoted. Meanwhile, a small channel with 100 subscribers uploads a video that keeps people watching until the end. That small channel could get shown to thousands of new viewers and potential to go viral. Subscribers don't guarantee success. Watch time does. You could have 5 subscribers and create a video that keeps people watching, and your video will be rewarded for more than a big channel with low retention. So if you are a small creator worried about subscriber count, here's the reality check. Stop chasing subscribers. Focus on watch time. Create content that people want to watch all the way through. Focus on hooks, storytelling, pacing, and keeping your audience engaged. That's how channels grow, not just by adding numbers to your subscriber list. Remember, a single video with high watch time can do more for your channel than hundreds of subscribers who barely watch your content. So next time you check your stats, don't be obsessed over subscriber growth. Obsess over how long people are watching your videos. That's a key to real sustainable growth on YouTube. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe. But more importantly, focus on making videos people can't stop watching.